Odiejimjim, can you give me your damage control video potrabiame? Ebuka Odiejimjim, can you give me your damage control video potrabiame? No man, no yanda follow you. Can you give me? Ebuka Odiejimjim, your followers, in way sense. It is only in your church that they will see a PhD holder at school. Name way sense. Akiriela umano yaga. Can you give me? It is only in Ebuka Odiejimjim church. He got a PhD holder, a master degree holder that does not have sense. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you are such an illiterate pastor. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you have no sense. Same with your members. So Ebuka Odiejimjim, you come out to do a damage control video that many people can be answering in Kiruka because you said blessing. If you don't queue in, so somebody should queue into cancer. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you are coming out now to tell us that a lot of people are answering blessing. Did I call anybody's surname? Can't meme your nonsense. Can't brag meme and your stupid. You are an illiterate. You are an illiterate that wants to chase clouds on the internet. And you must your stupidness. So you came out to do damage control video. That many people can be answering blessing. Many people can be answering Nkiruka. Many people can have cancer. That's not a way to you fool. And then mother jealous again. They're jealous. What will I be jealous about you, mother? You are not intelligent. You know nothing you are preaching as a pastor. What thing I will come to jealous you for? Okay, when you are wrong, accept that you are wrong. You gave a fake prophecy. Understand it. Your prophecy went wrong. Your stupidity went wrong. And people are out here calling you out. You said they are jealousing you. If not collective money that people are giving you, you damage control now. You are such a pathetic liar. You are not only a liar, you are a loser. You are not only a loser, you are a stark illiterate. You know nothing, motherfucker. In way sense. You like clout. You always want to trend for the wrongest reason, Ebuka Odiejimjim. That's why you came out to do this damage control. So now, you are coming out to tell us that everybody can be answering blessing. That is only when you queue in to the prophecy. That is when you will be healed. Ebuka Odiejimjim, if them born you well, do any prophecy calling only that person's name without calling the full name and the village name of that person. Sure, you don't come do damage control, Abi. And in that your damage control video, you said that you not call anybody's surname and on a surname. That a lot of people can be answering blessing. A lot of people can be answering in Kiruka. A lot of people can be answering in Ngozi. So when next you mother is giving prophecy, you make sure you call the village where the person comes from, date of birth. Because in your damage control video, you said a lot of people can be answering blessing. So when next you want to give your prophecy, make sure you call the village name of the person. Call the surname of the person. Call the brother's name of that person. Give direction on how we can locate the person. In case your prophecy begin to happen, we're going to say you talk am. Not when you come out randomly, you say, she's undergoing chemo. She's undergoing therapy. You were criminal. When next you want to talk, you direct it very well. Mention the village, the date of birth of the person, the surname of the person, the brothers of the person, the village where the person comes from. Now you are coming out to do damage control. Ebuka Odiejimjim. And Ebuka Odiejimjim, mind you, I know that after this your damage control video now, you go arrange one blessing where you come claim say that prophecy na your own. We know you. After this video where you do now, we know say you go arrange one blessing where you come out, come give testimony. Say, in being get I have been going on chemotherapy. I have been taking chemotherapy drugs. I am the blessing that daddy prophesied about. I have been healed. Is one of your RNG. If anybody comes out to give testimony of chemotherapy, of having slum, it is one of your RNG. Ebuka Odiejimjim. I know we are going to look for a little girl now to do this. Your RNG. The girl will come and give testimony that she used to have that she went through chemotherapy. The girl got that see, my name is Blessing. I went through chemotherapy because of our daddy God's prophecy. I was healed. Oh, part of your RNG. You were such a criminal. You were a liar. You were a liar. So any girl will come out, come claim say she be Blessing now. Say she undergo chemo. She undergo chemotherapy. Ebuka Odiejimjim, how will your RNG just to prove a point? You understand me? In a being a prophecy to onyo shiamama. In a being a prophecy. You were a liar. You see all those prophecies where they give no solution. I bet you for a fact, if you get person where they go your church, where you don't give prophecy, where things turn around, many person come and come talk. Delusion, now you won't kill your members. It's only in your church can I get a PhD holder that is dumb. It's only in your church can I get a PhD holder that is delusional. No sense. That the Jew made damage control video, and a lot of people are there clapping for him. And he went as far as saying that, oh, people are jealous in him. So imagine him watch. They jealous you. They want to criticize you. Yeah. Okay, you gave a fake prophecy. You gave a fake prophecy. That's why people countered you. You are not seeing anything. You gave a fucking fake prophecy. That is why people are attacking you. Stop lying to your members. In my Christianity, but in Nigeria, Christianity in Nigeria. So whatever any stupid human being comes out to say, this mother that called themselves Nigerians are going to believe that person. Your pastor gets 1.7 billion to build a church, but you not get $500,000 to build a factory to employ you stupid members. Go to him now. Oh, when they go down all the church that is not lucrative to the members. Only him and the church gonna go. Our church 1.7 billion a year. He only earns from it. Una dey to that stupid advice. You say, oh, we go the warehouse, you know. Oh, we go the banana plastic, you know. You employ 1,000 of your members. 1,000 people are saved. It is 1.7 billion. And church, whereby 99.99% of your members that are senseless, they don't have a job. They don't have what they are doing that can even pay their house rents. 90% of the people that attend your church, they don't have what they are doing. They are only coming there because they want their problem to solve. And their problem that they want to be solved is something money can do. Your members, where they find where God, where they go pray, where you go give them prophecy, make their problem they solved. Give them money today. You will see that their problem will be solved. Even with 1.7 billion, each and all church, in which each and one factory, may 1,000 or 5,000 of your members employ to your factory. Have a big warehouse with that 1.7 billion. You one factory. 5,000 of your members will be employed and they will be collecting salary every month. How can I go to church? But no, you want to rather use it to enriching yourself more. Let your members suffer. Pastors are the most wicked people on earth. They don't give a fuck about you as a member. Ebuka Odiejimjim napsia yako washieba hono church factory. May 5,000 of his members employed. He gonna have salary every month. He gonna go every month. That thing is a church, but he gonna that your urge can be reduced. That thing that is making you look for miracle. He gonna a salary. Ebuka Odiejimjim will be able to fit your bills. The reason why most of you senseless are going to church, it is because you don't have money. Most of you, your problem will grow. Most of you people in that church, the miracle you are looking for is either a husband or money, or make your business the move. So if Ebuka Odiejimjim takes you as a business partner, you make more millions. If Ebuka Odiejimjim employs you in a company where he built for his members, you make more money. Even if Ebuka Odiejimjim employs you in the place where he built the company or the warehouse or whatever thing he produces that he built and employ you there, your quest for marriage will be reduced. The reason why most of you are going to his church is because you are looking for a husband. She want marry G. And husband they hungry you want marry. The reason why you are gonna church you put on a comment section gonna marry Chisom. Oh my king chodi. I'm not chodi chodi. I'm not the fine husband. But once Ebuka Odiejimjim builds a factory and employ you, I bet you for a fact, your quest to look for a husband get reduced. Because most of you want to use marriage to escape your family poverty. Most of you want to use onyegaloge to escape poverty in your generation. You understand me? You don't want to work. You are such a lazy mother. Now carry from one ministry to the another. Now worship the daddy Ebuka Odiejimjim. Again, I worship you because you are useless. That does not have something you are doing. 80% of the useless people that are supporting Ebuka Odiejimjim. Look at them. Both this one waiting for our streets where they support them. Your daddy G is a pathetic liar. In brother they drive 2026, so in brother gets Prado 2025 when they drive. You will remember when they put offering. You know get Corolla. It begin with Remono. So Ebuka Odiejimjim put damage control. Everybody can be answering blessing. Tell your daddy G, I said he should open a factory that can be able to employ 5,000 members and see how things will turn around in your lives. It is only in you people's church that if your daddy wants to give prophecy next time, make sure he mentions the name of that person, the village, the surname, the date of birth. If you go to America, if they want to locate you more easily, once they get your date of birth, they can locate you. You understand? So stop coming out to tell us shit because of your stupid faith. We know they work for them. in get money, person transfer am $500,000. You know, use an open factory, employ most of una where they useless, where they jobless, who where they turn around, who no salary. You are happy. See, nonsense and don't you understand? Where can I borrow an issue? On a put a damage control in rush. Sunday never finish in rush to post a damage control video. But see, I'm now. Prophecy don't cast. He don't come out can't do damage control. And a lot of you useless people are still going to believe him. Because tell me how a human being in his rightful senses get to believe on Ebuka Odiejimjim in 2026, seeing all this rubbish that he's doing on the internet. He can believe Ria. Comment section guys week. Mango papa no bia. Oh bia kam na ngo paro no send kwa mo ko send kwa no message. Onya on dan area no na hu ni no native doctor. Oh we gbo nama. Happy and also ka o na ere. The more na ere. Termite na eri the nama. Maggots na eri the nama. More members are added. We know this shit there. We know this nonsense now. That's why he will come out to tell you, oh, even if people criticize me, members are still added. Joy Ebuka ga gbo nama. Ebuka ga gbo nama happy ka eru read the nama ka read the nama ka maggots read the nama. The more maggots are eating that nama, the more you people are adding. You people are useless here. You know nothing. He's boasting that I'm not going to internet. Now members gonna add damage control master. Now can give be an go illiterate, stuck illiterate na gas school. Now you won't give me professor. Can give you. Now like your members will hope PhD where you chop.